Let's say we want to find a grade point average for a student who is taking the following courses: Math 400, which is worth 5 credits, and the student has earned a 4.0 in the course. English 220, which is worth 3 credits, and the student has earned a 1.5 in the course. Sociology 140, that is worth 3 credits, and the student has earned a 2.0 in the course. And Com 390, which is worth 4 credits, and the student has earned a 3.5 in the course. We are using a situation here where the student is at an institution that uses a 4.0 grading scale, and that means that their GPA needs to be someplace between 0 and 4.0 for this semester. Because they have some grades that are below the 4.0 level, they won't achieve a 4.0 grade point average overall. We should expect a grade point average that is between the high end of 4.0 for their grades and the low end of 1.5. So, how do we make this happen? Well, you might think that we could take their grades in the course and add them all up and divide by the number of courses that we have, because that's one way of finding an average. But the trouble is that the English course, for example, doesn't have as much of a weight to it as the math course does. The English course is only ranked at 3 credits, where the math course is ranked at 5. So that math course actually has more power in the grade point average than the English course would have. So to handle that, we find what we call quality points. We'll make a list of them. Quality points for each course. And that means that we'll take the number of credits and multiply by the grade the student earns in the course. For Math 400, we'll take 5 times 4.0 for 20 quality points. For English 220, we'll take 3 credits times 1.5 for their grade, and we'll get 4.5 quality points. For Sociology 140, we'll take 3 credits times their grade of 2.0 for 6 quality points. And then for Com 390, we'll take the 4 credits times their grade of 3.5 for 14 quality points. After that, we will find the total of their quality points when we add these all together. 20 plus 4.5 plus 6 plus 14 gives us 44.5 quality points overall. 44.5 can't be their GPA. It's way too big. If we now took the quality points and divided by the number of classes they took, we would end up with about 11, and that can't be the GPA either. So scaling down the quality points has to occur in a specific way. We will take the number of credits total that they took for the semester, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, for 15 credits. And we will divide that into the total number of quality points. So 44.5 quality points divided over the 15 credits. When we do that, we get 2.96666. The 6's go on forever. And then in the end, the grade point average, you'll notice, is between the low end of 1.5 and the high end of 4.0. We would round this a little bit. If we wanted to round this to 2 decimal places, we would come up with, let's see, 2.96, and the next 6 will bump us up to 2.97 for a GPA. If you were asked to round to the nearest 10th or to 1 decimal place, that would be 2.9, but the 6 would bump us up to 3.0. I like the 2.97 version better myself, but watch your instructions on whether you should round to the nearest 10th or to the nearest 100th or whatever number of decimal places they ask you for. This is how you can calculate a GPA.